Anyway, guys, just moved in back to college today for my sophomore year. I am very excited for this school year. And here's the front of the room right when you enter. Here's the kitchen area. Got some snacks. Got a lot of drinks in the fridge. Anyway, here's the bathroom. My mom got me this curtain. I think it's awesome and really funny and hilarious. I love it. It's a grizzly bear waving. And anyway, I have a room all to myself this year, which is gonna be nice and fun. Last year I had a roommate, and that was really fun. And this is the main part of the room. So I could decorate my room however I want it this year. I have all this space to myself, which is nice. But anyway, I have this bean bag. I have a calendar right there, which I'm gonna write on that. Have a Steelers thing and a Penguins thing. Got my guitar right there. Got 2 books right there. Got the one when we were in Canmore. Then I got this one for Christmas. Then I have this, my guitar pick holder. I have this shelf right here. And desk. Have a trash can. I have this little gray thing to step up on my bed if I want to. Have Canada pictures right behind my head. And some more pictures. Awesome. Little desk right here. A little dresser. Another dresser. This bed was originally the same way as this bed, just over here. I decided to switch that around, lower it all the way to the bottom. It can be like a little chill spot. Then I have this lamp, Pirates flag, Steelers flag, chair that I can sit on and chill if I want to. That would definitely be the bean bag, most likely, or that lower bed if I do not feel like chilling up on that bed. I have my Xbox down there, my gaming area, my little TV, and the controller to turn the TV on. Laundry bin. Have this. I have 4 hats. These 2 are the ones I wear the most. I also have 2 closets. Have an extra backpack. Got some shoes. Also have a pair of sneakers right over there. Got a vacuum. Got some hoodies. Some more stuff. The view out the window is pretty nice. I like that. Better than the view last year out the window, which faced the building across. Can see some green grass, some green space. But anyway, let me know what you guys think of my dorm room. I love it. Set it up very nicely. I'm very excited for this school year. I'm very excited excited to film a lot of videos as well. And obviously, I'm gonna miss home and my family at home and my friends at home. And obviously, my hometown, obviously. But I'm gonna have really fun out here my sophomore year. And you guys are definitely not gonna want to miss any of my videos. Because they're lit. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My first video of the beginning of my sophomore year here at Slippery Rock University. I'm very excited about this year. Gonna be a fun year. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.